My name is Ali and I am in class 3. I am 9 years old and full of energy. As I grow, I want to be a good person and achieve my dreams. I want to be kind and helpful to everyone around me. Drawing and coloring are my favorite things to do in my free time. My family is the best and I enjoy spending time with them. Reading storybooks makes me happy, especially before bedtime. I love playing with my friends during recess. School is fun and I like learning new subjects and making projects. I am curious and like asking questions to learn new things.